Big news! OpenAI's GPT-5 is coming, and it will be free for everyone. Sam Altman just shared a huge update about this powerful AI model. This could change how people use AI forever, making it easier for everyone. Stay with me, because I'll explain what this means and why it's so important. OpenAI is making big changes with two major updates. First, they are launching GPT 4.5, also called Orion. This model will come before GPT-5 and act as a bridge between the current AI and the next big step. It will be smarter, faster, and better at understanding complex questions. GPT 4.5 will improve reasoning skills and give more accurate answers, making AI more useful for daily tasks. But the real excitement is about GPT-5. This version is going to change everything. Unlike older models where users had to choose between different versions like GPT-3, GPT-4, or GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-5 will combine all of OpenAI's best tools into one powerful system. This means users won't have to switch between different AI models. They will get the best AI experience in one place. It will be more advanced, easier to use, and more efficient. With these updates, OpenAI is making AI more accessible and powerful than ever. Whether you use AI for work, learning, or creative projects, these changes will make AI smarter and more helpful for everyone. And the best part? GPT-5 will be free. OpenAI is making a bold move by offering GPT-5 for free to everyone. In the past, users had to pay for better AI models like GPT-4 Plus to get advanced features. But this time, OpenAI is removing those barriers, allowing everyone to use a powerful AI without spending money. Unlike older free versions, which had limited access and slower responses, GPT-5's free version will be much stronger and more useful. This decision isn't just about being generous, it's a smart strategy. By making GPT-5 free, OpenAI is challenging other AI companies to keep up. Many AI services charge users for premium access, but OpenAI is changing the game by giving high-quality AI to everyone at no cost. This move will attract millions of new users, making OpenAI's technology the most widely used AI in the world. For people who couldn't afford AI before, this is a huge opportunity. Students, small business owners, and creators can now access one of the most advanced AI models without paying a dime. With this step, OpenAI is making AI more accessible, competitive, and powerful for everyone. OpenAI is offering different intelligence settings for GPT-5, making it useful for all types of users. The free version will run on standard intelligence, which means it will be great for everyday tasks like answering questions, writing emails, and helping with research. This version will be available to everyone without any payment, making AI more accessible than ever before. For those who need more power, OpenAI is offering paid versions like Plus and Pro. These versions will have higher intelligence, allowing GPT-5 to think longer and solve more complex problems. This means businesses, researchers, and professionals who rely on AI for deep analysis, coding, or creative work may prefer the Pro version to get even better performance. Even though the free version will be strong, the paid plans will unlock more advanced features. This system ensures that casual users get free access, while businesses and professionals can pay for premium AI capabilities. With this setup, OpenAI is giving more people access to AI while still offering high-end features for those who need extra power. No matter what, everyone wins with GPT-5. GPT-5 being free changes a lot for different people. For students, it means they can use AI for studying, writing papers, and doing research without having to pay. AI will help them find answers quickly and even help them write essays or solve math problems. This makes learning easier and more efficient. For small businesses, it's a game changer. They won't have to pay for powerful AI tools anymore. They can use GPT-5 to help with tasks like writing emails, creating marketing content, or even handling customer service. This will save money and make businesses run more smoothly. Content creators like YouTubers, bloggers, and social media influencers will also benefit. With free AI, they can get better assistance without worrying about subscription costs. GPT-5 can help them come up with ideas, write scripts, or even edit their work, making it easier to produce content. For developers, this opens up new opportunities to build AI-powered apps and tools. With free access to one of the most advanced AI models, they can create more powerful and useful programs. This could lead to new apps, websites, and software that make our lives easier. GPT-5 will help everyone, no matter their job or need. OpenAI has a timeline for releasing GPT-5. First, they will launch GPT 4.5, which is also called Orion. This model will come out first and serve as a warm-up before GPT-5. GPT 4.5 will improve on many things, like being faster and more accurate. It will help prepare users for what's coming next. After GPT 4.5, GPT-5 will be released. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has mentioned that GPT-5 will come within months. This means that we don't have to wait too long to see the big changes. OpenAI has already started testing GPT-5 internally, which means they are making sure everything works perfectly before releasing it to the public. As for when everyone can start using GPT-5, OpenAI has not given an exact date yet. However, since they are already testing it, it could be sooner than we think. Many experts believe it will be available to the public within the next few months. So, stay tuned. The future of AI is just around the corner, and we will soon be able to experience GPT-5 for ourselves. GPT-5 will make using AI much easier and smarter. In the past, users had to choose between different AI models like GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo to do different tasks. But with GPT-5, you won't have to worry about that anymore. It will automatically decide which method is best for each task, making it much simpler to use. One of the coolest features is chain of thought processing. This means that GPT-5 will think step by step, just like humans do when solving problems. Instead of just giving a quick answer, it will work through problems logically, improving how it understands and solves difficult questions. For example, if you ask it to solve a complex math problem or write a detailed essay, it will take the time to think through each part carefully. This is like having an AI that can think deeply about a problem, just like a person would. Even though the free version of GPT-5 won't have all the advanced features, it will still include major improvements. This means that even users who are not paying for the Pro version will still get a powerful and smarter AI experience. GPT-5 is changing how we interact with AI and making it more helpful for everyone. To get ready for GPT-5, there are a few things both businesses and individuals can do. For businesses, it's important to document how you are using AI right now. Write down which tasks AI is helping with and see if there are other areas where AI could make things easier. Identify tasks that could be improved with more advanced AI features and start planning how to bring these changes into your work. This way, when GPT-5 arrives, businesses will be ready to use it to its full potential. For individuals, there are also steps you can take. First, learn how to use AI effectively. Get familiar with how AI works and how it can help in your everyday tasks. There are many free resources online to help you learn. You should also explore automation options. GPT-5 can help automate repetitive tasks, so think about what you can automate to save time. Lastly, it's important to stay updated on AI trends. Keep an eye on new developments in AI, as the technology is always changing. By preparing ahead of time, both businesses and individuals can make the most out of GPT-5 when it arrives. In the future, AI will play an even bigger role in our daily lives. It's already helping us with tasks like writing, research, and even driving cars. As AI gets smarter with GPT-5, it will become even more useful for all kinds of things. People will rely on AI to make decisions, solve problems, and even manage their daily routines. As AI becomes more important, there will also be more competition in the AI industry. Other companies will want to create their own advanced AI models to compete with OpenAI. This means we could see even better and smarter AI tools in the future. The competition will push everyone to improve and come up with new ideas that will make AI even more helpful and efficient. OpenAI's decision to make GPT-5 free has already shaken things up in the tech world. Now, other tech companies will need to respond and figure out how to keep up. They may need to offer better or different AI tools to stay competitive. This will be exciting for users because it means we'll have more choices and access to even more advanced technology in the coming years. AI is changing everything, and we're just getting started. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.